So guys, this is part 2 of the series with my monster truck racing. So we have Brutus up against Leopard Shark. So let's see who would win. Who will win, I mean. That was way too close. Guys, I couldn't tell, so I'm going to redo that race. If you know who actually won that race, please leave it down below. Because it'll be very helpful, then I will know, and then I'll fix it in the next video. So that looked like Leopard Shark won. So, Leopard Shark is now going to part 3 of this series. It's going to be Motosaurus now, up against Crustacean. So let's see who will win. Crustacean won. Now we're going to be doing Predator up against the Dodge Challenger. So it wasn't looking good for Predator at the beginning, but he ended up rolling all the way to win, to get the victory, which is good for him. So the Dodge Charger is officially out. We're going to be doing Hulk up against Track Ace Batman. So Track Ace Batman won. I think I know who may win this whole series. I think it may end up being Track Ace Batman, because Track Ace Batman has those like flat edge breath. Sorry guys, I was holding it weird. Focus camera. And Max D. So let's see who will win. See, it looks like Max D won. I will do that again because it was way too close for me to call, but I think it was Max D. And if Max D wins this race, then I know it was Max D. Max D lost. Okay. So Dragon's Breath goes next to the next round. Okay, that's good to know. We have Monster Truck Dalmatian versus Hot Wheels Team Racing. Looks like Monster Mutt got to the line first. So Monster Mutt won. We have Son of a Digger next versus Roger Dodger. Sorry that I put it up so close to the camera. So Roger Dodger lost and Son of a Digger won. We have 25th Anniversary Mohawk Warrior versus Octopus. So 25th Anniversary Mohawk Warrior won. So here guys are the final races that we have left now. So part 3, stay out for that. Bye.